What is up, guys? I'm trying to do another day in the life kind of video today. It kind of rained out, so it sucks, but I'm out here right now. I'm out with my homie Jesse over here. We're gonna try to session it over this bridge. I mean, under this bridge. Oh yeah. I'm like trying super hard to like not drop my new camera while I'm skating. Where's Justin? Alright, so this is the spot we're gonna try to skate today. It's under the bridge. It's like this little bank thing. I don't know, I'm not gonna skate it. What? Bang. Yeah. Well, there you are. I forgot you. Thanks.
Oh my god, that was perfect. Wow. That was perfect.
Burger King, I'm about to get a fucking hot dog, dude. They look amazing. Amazing. Nasty.
Hello? Yeah. Can I, 1 second, please?
Hello.
Hello?
Feed the Skatewaste.
.tv.
Feed the Skatewaste.
3 bacon burgers.
3 bacon burgers?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then could I also just get small Coke, no ice?
Make that 2.
Make that 2.
Okay.
Actually, I'm sorry. Could I just have the could you just get rid of all that? That works out so much better.
You just want that too?
Yeah, just make that 2.
Okay, there we go.
And just one yeah, that's gonna be it.
859.
Alright, thank you.
You get a dick for.
What's a dick for, dude?
For you, Danny.
For you, bro. About to give them so many quarters. This is how you pay for Burger King in quarters. Wait, hold up. I got $1.
Yo, there's 5 here, bro. Or there's 550 here.
450?
550.
I don't know how we're doing this.
Just drop the straw.
Just drop this. How much is it? $8.69. Oh, this is gonna suck. $1. I got some shacks. Would you look at your shacks?
Did you just look at these sharks? Would you just look at these freaking sharks?
I'm not even wearing socks though. I saw it, dude. I saw it, dude.
Stop.
I saw it, dude.
Oh my god, no fucking way.
I saw it, dude.
That shit came? That shit came?
Yeah, it came, boy.
Wow.
You gonna summertime bean it?
Nah, you're gonna take that shit off. It's gonna be so hot. You're gonna be sweating.
Can't do it, bro. It's more comfortable with this fucking crater on my fucking forehead. Real shit. Whatever the fuck this thing is.
It's the mark of Buddha. You got the mark of Buddha on your dome.
Dick for or something, bro.
I got a dick for on my dome.
Dick for on my. Yo, this shit on my forehead got some shit on its forehead.
Yeah, show the camera your mark of Buddha.
Yo, bro.
Homie got the mark of Buddha. Blessed.
Shit's got some shit on its fucking forehead. Shit's got some shit on its forehead.
Your shit is fucked up. Alright, so we've been at Jesse's house for a little bit now. It's not raining anymore. So I think we're about to go skate. Isn't that right, Helder? So I'm gonna see you there. Bye. Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. Whoa. Yo, I'm going home, bro. You got it. Get it, get it. Okay guys, so that pretty much does it for my second ever kind of vlog video. So I'm pretty much just going to kick it at my house the rest of the night. I'm going to edit this video that you guys are probably going to watch and a skate edit for my Instagram, which you can follow. I'm going to put the little thing in the description or at the end of the video. You guys can see it. So probably just going to get some gaming done on this bad boy right here. This bad boy right here. It's a foot. No, seriously guys, if you like this video, please give it a like, a thumbs up, a comment if you really feel like it. I'm going to catch you guys in the next one, whether you watch it or not, so I'm going to see you guys there. Peace.